How's it going? I want to show you guys how to make some money as a single mom or a single dad and how to stay at home. So I'm in the digital space. Everything I do is digital. Even, my health and wellness products, you can purchase them digitally, meaning I don't have to, resell my products in person. So that's exactly how you want it if you want to be specifically remote. So this software right here is actually a new software I'm bringing to my YouTube. It's called the Internet Income System. It's based around three products. One around higher conversions, one around someone getting into short form video that may not know or may not want to do videos right away, and the mindset. So you have three products. You have the builder, like I said, which is, I'm actually going to show you this one, but I want to keep this video very short. And this is the creator, where you're going to have around 7,000 short form video around mindset, motivation. You can repurpose them. You can, edit them to your liking and something free like Canva. And you have the mentor program, which is ran by Marcus Taylor, one of the highest paid motivational speakers right now. And you have all access to his work in this package. And this internet income system also pays daily, so your money is going to be paid via Stripe, or you can get it processed within the company instantly. So to show you one of the softwares for someone in business right now, this is especially for you, someone who wants higher conversions. I'm going to show you the video funnels that I use, and I use them for different social medias. You can create them to your liking. So it can be you following up with a lead, or it can be something that, like I did, I put it in my system. So when people go check out this actual system at Relaxing Money, www.relaxingmoney.ws, you're going to actually see how I have it all integrated. So for example, let's do one that I send to Facebook. So if we view the page, you can I use the pre-uploaded cover. You can put any cover you like, and I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear this, so I'll actually possibly fast forward it or just let it play. So I'm actually going to let it play. After, I'm gonna just let it play through. You're going to be able to either click this button, you're going to see it redirect. So you can make a personal video for anyone, and it's going to automatically redirect wherever you want it to go. So it's a cool, also have someone's attention. They're like, oh my god, what happened? This is being ahead of everyone. Not everyone has something like this, and this is actually the sales page for the internet income system. And here's everything on it very quick. This is actually Marcus Taylor, which the elevation, well, this is the mindset elevation product that's in our back office as well. This is the creator, Jeff Long, of the software. And these are some of the videos you actually can watch right now on how powerful this mindset um, video training is. So this is the internet income system. Very simple. This is a 20-minute video that actually breaks down everything. So after you watch this 20-minute video, you're literally going to be versed in the whole program. Like it's amazing how you can literally know exactly how to start a business online in 20 minutes, in only 20 minutes. And everything else after that is pretty simple. The only other thing that we're going to get you set up with is a domain name, so a www dot. And I have a software for that as well that you can offer to people and have another side hustle within. And if you want to get a little more deep into the marketing niche down the line, we can show you how to set up your own system, and you really build your brand online. So I'm really excited for you guys that are looking at this information. I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos on the internet income system, just because it's not new, but it's just something that everyone needs to add. You'll get a lot of emails about side hustles that I have, but you're going to get a lot of emails about this one, just because I feel like this is one that's really going to help some people. And like I said, the payments are quick, so you don't have to wait a week, a month to get paid in this. And we're going to show you exactly how to promote this online. So if you have any questions, comment them below. Subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube. Follow if you're seeing this on something like Facebook. And I hope you enjoy the internet income system, especially if you're a single mom, single dad, or just someone looking to make some extra money online. Have a good one.